Welcome. I'll be showing you 3 stretches that you can do to get a nice deep release in the hamstrings and inner thighs. We'll be using a strap, so if you have a strap or a belt or something long and thin that you can use, go ahead and get it. And we're going to come to lay down on the mat. Taking a moment here just to connect the low back, middle back, upper back, shoulder blades to the floor. Hugging the right knee in toward the chest. Draw the chin slightly inward. Inhale, allow the knee to move away. And as you exhale, bring the knee in closer. So you have an option to keep this left foot on the floor, knee bent, or go ahead and extend that left leg. If the left leg is extended, you want to try to keep the thigh, the back of the thigh, grounding down into the floor. So the knee is not opening out to the side. Back of the thigh grounds down onto the floor. And then the right knee draws in toward the chest. So you should feel a nice opening in the back of the right thigh, front of the left thigh, and hip flexor. Take a few deep breaths here, just breathing in and breathing out. Nice and deep, easy breath. Now with your strap, we're gonna just hook the strap around the right foot. Have the strap maybe towards the balls of the foot. And as much as possible, keep the arms straight and the shoulders grounding down into the floor, but give yourself as much strap as you need to so that your neck is not arching up. And it doesn't have to be a super deep stretch. We're gently pressing the heel up and away, and at the same time we're drawing the foot, not just the foot, but the whole leg and hip back down into the hip socket. So we're not reaching the toes as far as we can over the head, but we're drawing the whole leg down into the floor. And as you do this, you'll feel the stretch actually intensifies, gently pressing the heel up and grounding that hip back down into the hip socket. Don't forget about the left leg. Left leg is also active. Back of the thigh, calf muscle, heel grounding into the floor. Or if your leg is bent, then the left foot into the floor. So both legs active. We'll take 5 deep breaths here. Feel into the sensation that you feel in the back of the left leg. And if it feels comfortable for you, take the strap into the right hand or the left hand and maybe just feel that hamstring muscle along the whole length of the right leg, giving a gentle massage or just creating that connection, feel the muscles. They should feel a little bit more hard because they're active. And release. Your strap is in the right hand. Take the left hand and place it on top of the left thigh. And this is just a reminder to keep grounding that left thigh into the floor. And again, there's always an option to keep the leg bent. We're going to begin to open out the right leg to the side. Now the foot doesn't have to come all the way down to the floor, but same thing, the heel presses away from the body while we're drawing the foot towards the body with the hand. So go as far as feels good, that you want to feel the stretch. And then begin to take 5 deep breaths. Maybe rest the elbow onto the floor. And if you don't feel enough of a stretch, you begin to bring the toes towards the side of the head. Remember, left thigh grounding into the floor. Try not to force the body into the stretch, but feel the stretch and then use the breath to soften, to deepen. And then we bring the leg back to center. Now we switch the strap into the left hand, take the right hand out for support, and then draw the right leg all the way down to the floor onto the left side. So coming into a twist with this stretch, and you're going to feel the stretch at different places. So the first with the leg straight up, maybe more on the back of the hamstring, and then where we just were with the leg opening, the inner hamstring, inner thigh muscles, and now we get nice and deep into the outer hamstrings, maybe the glutes, the whole hip area. Heel pressing away, drawing the toes towards the body, and don't worry so much about how far the foot is or how close it is to the head or how close it is to the floor. We just want to be able to feel the body, feel the stretch, and if you feel a stretch, then that's all we're looking for. It doesn't have to be too intense. Breathe nice and easy. Breathe into where you feel the stretch and the sensation. And then slowly coming out, bringing that foot back to center. Release the strap. Ooh, bend the knee, hug it in. Maybe shift a little weight from side to side. Make circles with the knee, one direction and then the other. And release the right leg back down. And you might notice a little difference between the right side and the left side, between the right leg and the left leg. And now hugging the left knee in toward the chest. Option to keep that right foot on the floor or the right leg extended. Take a few breaths here. Ground down the right back of the right thigh into the floor. As you exhale, we're bringing the knee, thigh close to the body. As you inhale, maybe it moves out a little bit. Just allowing the body to breathe in this pose. And now we take the strap, hook it on more towards the top of the foot, so where the balls of the foot are. And if you find that your leg is a little bent, that's fine. You can even have the foot pressing out. It doesn't have to be straight over at 90 degrees. You know, if the knee is not able to be straight, then go ahead and take the foot away from the body, but we're still doing the same thing, pressing the heel away and drawing the foot, the hip back down into the hip socket. So you have to kind of experiment and see how does the body feel and where's a good place for you to stay and feel the stretch. Shoulder blades grounding into the floor, arms straight and relaxed, although we're actively drawing downwards. Heel presses up. Right leg, back of the right leg grounding into the floor. Take a few deep breaths here. If it felt good for you, just you kind of feel the backs of the leg, the muscles, and just give it a little gentle, soothing touch or a little massage. You can do it on this side. Just whatever you can reach. And release. So holding the strap in the left hand, right hand grounding onto the right thigh, we open up the left leg to the left. Maybe dropping the elbow to the floor or just letting that leg and the hand rest in space. Press the heel away. Both legs active. Breathe nice and deep breath in into where you feel the stretch. And then drawing the leg back to center. We take the strap into the right hand this time, and we move into the twist on this side. Maybe looking over to the left hand if it feels okay, or up to the ceiling. Draw the foot towards the head, just enough to feel the stretch in the outer hip, glute muscles. And release, bring the foot back to center. Or release the strap off to the side, hug the knee into the chest. Maybe rock a bit from side to side, or make circles. Releasing the left leg down. Pause here for a few minutes and just appreciate the work that you've done in the right leg and the left leg. How do the legs feel after that nice deep stretch? Thank you.